you said the next one you find, you're giving it to me.
Where is it?
It's probably not giving that
I
one.
finally found one, and it looks like a good one.
Are you going to give it to Andrew?
No.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
are.
give it to me. Look at that bad boy. Come on, baby, be there. Add the other ear, please. Add the other ear. Dang it. Gosh darn it.
What? Does it have the other ear?
No, but it's all good, though. It's a sweetie, boy. Right at the entrance of this cave.
I'm coming.
Let's come off this wall. I'm gonna hunt this wall now. Sweet. I'll take it. Too bad the other ear is gone. Dang it.
Can I say something?
You say whatever you want.
There is a cave. Oh, let me see that. She's Apple Creek.
I think so.